Example, based on integration of an irrational function in the form of px plus q upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Now the question is, we have to integrate 5x plus 3 dx upon square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Now let 5x plus 3 is equal to a d by dx of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus b. Now this approaches to 5x plus 3 is equal to a with 2x plus 4 plus b. Now comparing coefficient of x and the constant term, we are having 2a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5 by 2. Then we are having 3 is equal to 4a plus b, 3 is equal to 4 with 5 by 2 plus b. Now b is equal to negative of 7. Now we are having two values, a and b. Now given integral reduces to integration of a with d by dx of x square plus 4x plus 10 upon x square plus 4x plus 10 dx plus b dx of under square root of x square plus 4x plus 10. Now we are having five by 2 integration of 2x plus 4 x square plus 4x plus 10 dx plus minus 7 x square plus 4x plus 10. Now I1 plus I2, or you can write it 5 upon 2 I1 minus 7 I2 also. Okay. Now I1 is equal to 5 by 2 integration of 2x plus 4 dx upon x square plus 4x plus 10. Now let x square plus 4x plus 10 is equal to t. Now differentiating with respect to x, we are getting 2x plus 4 dx is equal to dt. Now this becomes 5 upon 2 integration of dt upon t. Five by 2, we are having 5 by 2 integration of t raised to power minus 1 by 2 dt and this becomes 5 by 2 into 2t raised to power half plus c. So finally we are having, this is I1. Now we are having I1 is equal to 5 under the root x square plus 4x plus 10 plus 5 by 2 c1. Okay, one part. Now solving I2. Negative of 7 integration of dx upon under the root x square plus 4x plus 10. X square plus 4x plus 10. Now dx upon, now adding and subtracting half coefficient of x, half of 4, that is 2 square of 2 is what? 4. Plus 4 plus 10 minus 4. And this becomes now let x plus 2 is equal to t, differentiating with respect to x, dx is equal to dt. Now the question converts to integration of t square plus root 6 whole square. Now what we are having, the formula which we have derived, it was integration of dx upon x square plus a square is equal to log x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Now using this formula we are having log t plus t square plus c2. Okay. Now this becomes log t is what? X plus 2 t square now we are having now finally final answer is integration of 5 x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 log x plus 2 plus c, where c is equal to C is what? 5 upon 2 C1 minus 7 C2. This is the answer.